how to download multiple files at the same time from your Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download multiple files at the same time from your Google Drive. So first thing you want to do is simply open your Google Drive. Once you're inside here, simply select the respected folder in which your file has been stored. And once you're inside here, so what you can basically do is, instead of downloading it by clicking one by one uh, over the three dot icon over here, what you can alternatively do is simply long press on the particular video just like this, and as a whole you can click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply click on download, and all of your files will be downloaded at the same time just like this. So that is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.